selain daripada skin boosters, apa lagi yang doktor tengok most patients sekarang dia datang and requesting for certain treatment, of course with your advice lah, whether sesuai ke tak kan. What is the trend?
Okay, so we see neuromodulators. Neuromodulator ni iaitu wrinkle relaxer. It has been in the market for many years lah. Tapi of course, kita panggil evergreen. Macam fashion yang evergreen. So neuromodulator is always in. It's never out because it smoothes out your kedut-kedut. So dia bagi rejuvenate dan bagi nampak muda 10 even 20 tahun. So of course kita ada other types of non-invasive treatment like radio frequency, kita ada HIFU, biostimulators, yes, of course.
So those are the aesthetic trend and also towards healthier skin, right doctor?
Yeah. So biostimulator is famous because it gives, dia macam baja kepada kulit, okay? A lot of other treatment dia tarik kulit, dia hilangkan kedut, dia bagi kulit tu hilang jeragat. Tapi kenapa biostimulator ni terkenal? Sebab dia seolah-olah bagi benda yang kulit perlukan. Hydration, nutrients, okay, vitamins. Kita boleh buat kulit tu jadi plump, supple dan kulit tu nampak lebih rejuvenated.
Okay. Okay. Apa aesthetic trend yang dari Korea yang doktor perasan yang trending dekat Malaysia tahun ni?
Okay, so rawatan K-beauty yang tengah trending sekarang adalah glowing skin. Minimally invasive dengan skincare yang bagi effect glowing. Yeah.
Okay, when you talk about glowing skin and you talk about skin booster, okay, jom kita bercakap mengenai rawatan K-booster. Apakah rawatan K-booster dan bagaimana ia membantu meningkatkan kesihatan kulit?
Okay, so bila saya cakap tadi patient yang come and they requested for certain brand, and then kita pun jadi pening sebab kita nak suggest ni and the patient rasa macam okay, what about this? I also need this, I also need this, I also need this. So they will come to a point where we feel that okay, you don't have to choose. Let's just do this and you can have it all.
Yes.
So there's a product that, you know, this problem has actually been realized by the pioneer of aesthetic. The founder of K-Booster is actually Dr. Kwon. He's a world-renowned dermatologist who has a clinic in Gangnam. As you know, Gangnam is a very famous, expensive place. So he realized this issue, you know. Patient come and patient, they need to choose. Sometimes patient can pay, but they don't have the time. And they don't have the patience to do multiple injections because you need to do this, you need to do this, you need to separate time. You don't have the patience for that. So
All the time.
Yes. So he formulated K-Booster that has all the ingredients needed for skin health. It's very simple, it's very basic, it sounds very basic, but it actually enough. Yeah.
What is the ingredient, Dr. Amirul?
Okay, so as usual, PDRN.
Okay, PDRN.
It's something that is what every skincare injectable has, basically. It has hyaluronic acid.
Okay.
It has EGF, growth factor. So as you know, HA comes from a certain thing. Like let's say you consult your patient, kan? HA comes from this brand. PDRN comes from this brand. EGF comes from PRP or even a certain stem cell. So this product has everything included inside. So, and then of course it has hyaluronic acid as well as a modality for plumping. So as we know, Profhilo has been marketed for lifting, right? Have you heard about that? Because Profhilo addresses the main issue of dryness. This K-Booster addresses issue of dryness as well.
Jadi apakah kelebihan menggunakan rawatan estetik K-Booster ni?
Okay, so of course minimal downtime. You need injection, but you have little downtime as with other type of product, of course. Hasil
Boleh
dia
dinampak.
Definitely, even with one session,
Okay.
cost effective.
Cost effective
Yeah, I
dan
think
juga
cost
sesuai untuk
semua jenis
sesiapa
kulit. Yeah.
sahaja.
So
Okay.
when you have acne, your skin barrier is damaged. You need to repair your skin barrier with certain product, HA, right? EGF. So when you're elderly, when you're matured skin, your skin is very dry and you need HA and you need PDRN.
So bila doktor cakap dia ada semua ingredient yang diperlukan dalam satu rawatan, dia juga ada 54 polycomponent.
Yes.
Iaitu amino acid,
Yeah, a lot of amino acid.
vitamins,
So
minerals.
all the vitamins. So
Coenzyme.
remember those days when we actually need one type of injection that has all the vitamins. Remember? Sekarang tak lagi. So we just use Skin Booster untuk addresses all the skin concern for the patient.
Jadi apa yang kita boleh harapkan selepas kita buat satu rawatan K booster ni, apa yang boleh dia expect dari kulit mereka?
Okay, so basically patient akan nampak lifting effect definitely. Dia akan nampak minimize pores. Dia akan nampak kulit dia lebih plump, lifted, and then kulit dia of course obviously lagi glowing lah as compared to before.
Alright, doktor, last question untuk seseorang yang ingin membuat rawatan estetik tapi tak tahu apa rawatan yang sesuai dengan gaya hidup mereka lah. So macam mana doktor advise apa yang factor to be considered when you are choosing aesthetic treatment? Number one, of course, by the doctor consultation. Other than that,
Okay, so as you know, aesthetic is something yang sangat personalized, okay, and of course consultation is very individualized. There's a lot of factors involved. Satu lifestyle, as you said, dua budget, tiga skincare. Yeah, how do you use every day affect what you need in the clinic actually. So when you don't pay so much attention on your skincare, you eventually need more in the clinic itself. Do you agree? Yeah. So of course that influences the factor, and then of course patient kadang-kadang I suka divide patient kepada invasive, non-invasive. Dia tak ada minimally invasive lah. So some people walaupun dia kategori dia boleh spend ke whatever, dia tak nak jarum.
betul?
At all. Dia tak nak jarum at all. So yeah, that eventually affect your modality because your treatments are quite limited in that sense. So another thing about K booster, as you know, when you've done your patient treatment, there are some injection that causes a little bit of pain. K booster doesn't have any of that. No pain. You should actually try it with your own skin.
Okay, there you go. So rawatan K booster ni boleh combine dengan microneedling, doktor?
Definitely. You boleh combine dengan microneedling, you boleh combine dengan HIFU, you boleh combine dengan radio frequency.
Right.
So when you do microneedling, or even I combine with CO2 laser, you create micro channel for the ingredient to go inside. So sometimes patient don't like. Ada juga patient yang dia tak suka needle, tapi dia okay dengan laser.
Ataupun microneedling.
Padahal di microneedling tu ada jarum, kan?
Betul.
Yeah.
But, so now you know the benefit of K booster, and also you know that K booster is all in one, meaning to say that you can get all the benefit of multiple ingredients in just one skin booster, which is very effective, right, doktor?
It sounds so good to be true.
So ini adalah option untuk mereka yang memerlukan pelbagai aktif di dalam kulit tetapi mungkin ada kengkangan masa ataupun tidak boleh buat lebih daripada satu sesi, boleh cuba K booster.
Ataupun kekangan bajet.
Kengkangan bajet.
It's actually quite dia punya cost tu very cost effective. So I truly believe aesthetic, another thing about trend 2026 moving forward doctor, aesthetic should be accessible, you know.
To everybody.
Gone were the days where kita rasa orang kaya je boleh buat treatment ni, betul tak? So now 2026 let's move towards that, you know. Aesthetic should be accessible, affordable and available to everyone.
Okay, there you go. So last advice from Dr. Amirul?
Okay, so for those who haven't done anything to their face, there are some people who are watching and they rasa macam, I don't need this. So it's like doing treatment, aesthetic treatment ni is like an investment, okay? You don't see the result today. It's like you buy gold.
Yes.
The result is only after a few years or even 10 years. So you need to invest in yourself because that is the only investment that matters. Okay?
See? Alright,
Alright.
listen to that. Okay. The only investment that matters is self-care.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you,
Okay,
Dr.
thank you,
Amirul.
Dr.
Thank you for the sharing.
Yes, of course. Bye.